Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can only make featured photos on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile picture on the right top. From here, you need to click on your name. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see your featured collection. Click on that and here you can see three dots. Once you click on that, you can see that edit feature collection, delete, save photo and different options. Once you click on edit feature collection, so here you can see that feature is set to public, and once you click on that, there is no option to change that to only me. So the only method possible is that you simply need to click on three dots, click on collection, click on three dots, and here you need to click on save photo. Once you save, you simply need to click on three dots again, open that, click on three dots again, and here you can see delete feature collection. You simply need to click on that, and now no one will be able to see your featured photo, and you can save that in your cell phone. So this is the only method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.